Hello everybody. So today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about find the length of B. So now I will show you how to answer. A piece of stock is to be machined as shown below. Determine dimension B. Compute the answer 2-3 decimal places. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to draw the line from this point to here. And we see that this is about the right triangle. So I will put about A, O. This is about the center of the circle, and B. The first thing, we need to find alpha. So alpha, that is about this one. So we have the right angle in here. To find the alpha, we see that this line OB, this is about the radius of the circle. So that means OB equals to number 3. So we put number 3 in here. This one we have 2.5, and we can find tan alpha. That is about opposite over adjacent. So alpha equals to R tan. Opposite, that is about number 3. Adjacent, that is about 2.5. So we calculate about this one, and we have 50.19 degrees. Now about this one, we can find about beta. So we have alpha, we just use about 87 degrees minus 50.19. We can find about beta. So this one, that should be about 36.81. Next, I will put about sin here. We know that OC, that is about the radius of the circle. So OC equals to number 3. About this one, we need to find AO. AO we can use about Pythagorean theorem. So AO square equals to AB square plus BO square. And this is about for triangle ABO. Next, AO we want to find in here. So AB we have 2.5, and BO we have number 3. So we calculate about this one, and we have 15.25. Later that, we put the square root for the both sides. And we have 3.90. And we have number 5 in here. Next, we can find about AC, that is about B. We have OC, we have AO, and we have the angle. Now we can find the value B in here. So we can apply about cosine law in the triangle. So in this one, we have AC. And this one we have AO. And this one we have OC. So we have the angle beta in here. So this one does mean AC square plus AO square minus 2AC AO, and we have cosine beta in here equal to OC square. So that means we have OC square equals to AC square plus AO square minus 2AC AO cosine beta. Now OC, we have number 3. AC, that is about B. AO, that is about this number in here. Minus 2. This is about B. This is about 3.905 cosine, and we have beta in here. That is about 36.81 degrees. So we need to simplify. This one is about number 9. This one, that is about 15.25. This one we calculate, and we have negative 6.253b. And now I will put number 9 go to the right, and we have b square minus 6.253b plus 6.25 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of this equation. So we have b equals to 5.004, and the second one, b equals to 1.249, and we know that this number in here is smaller than the radius of the circle, so we need to reject, because if this number is smaller than the radius of the circle in here, they cannot touch in here because 2.5 is greater than this one, and this one is smaller than this one in here, so they cannot touch about this one. So we just choose about this one in here, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.